Hello and welcome. My name is Ankit as your teacher in Aanav creations. Let us start the new topic how search engine works for you. In this digital marketing season 2 we are working on. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is how search engine work for you. Hi there. Welcome to our video explaining how search engines work for you. We will give you the basics on how search engines find web pages, what they do with the pages they find, and how they decide what results to show. When you are using a search engine to find the closest yoga center, you are probably not thinking about search engine technology, but later you might wonder how did they do it? So this is a big question for you. How did it sort through the entire internet so quickly and choose the results you saw on the page? Search engines use their own software programs, but the way they work is pretty similar with the other ones. They all perform three tasks. First, they examine content they learn about and have permission to see. That's called crawling. Second, they categorize each piece of content for you. That's called indexing. And the third, they decide which content is most useful to searchers. That's called ranking. Let's take a closer look at how these work. Search engines scroll the internet to discover content like web pages, images, and videos. Each search engine uses computer programs called bots, short form of robot, crawlers or spiders, to make their way through the pages of your website. The bots hop from the page to page by following links on to their pages. These bots never stop. Their sole purpose is to visit and revisit the pages, looking for new links and new content to include the index. Indexing is the second part of the process. The index is a gigantic list of all the web pages and content found by the bots. The search engine uses the index as the source of information displayed on the search results page to you. But not everything the bot finds makes it into a search engine's index. For example, search engines may find multiple copies of the exact same piece of content located on different websites. How is that possible? Well, imagine you are not searching for a yoga center but a yoga mat. You might notice that a high quality PVC yoga mat has the same word for word description on the websites of many major retailers in the market. The description might have been provided by the manufacturer, but now the search engine has decisions to make which version to keep in the index. There is no need for hundreds of duplicates. So it's unlikely that every page will be added. So if you are on the website that's selling yoga mats, you are likely better off writing your own description on the PVC mats. Make sense? That covers crawling and indexing, which just leaves us with the ranking right now. So when you type in the search, the engine compares the words and phrases you use to its index looking for matching results. Let's say, for example, the search engine finds 230 million matching results for you. Now it's time for the last part of the search engine's task, which is ranking. The way search engines rank pages is top secret. It's their special sauce. There are hundreds of ways search engine determines rank, including things like the words on the page and also the images, the number of other websites linking to it, and the freshness of the content. But no matter what formula they use to determine the rank, the goal remains the same. to try to connect the searcher with what they are looking for. Say you have read about a power yoga and you want to practice it. If you search for a power yoga classes near me, the search engine will show you nearby centers teaching this form because your search indicated your location as well. You might even see a map to help you find them. So, what we have learned? Search engines are constantly working to score the web for content, organize, and then display the most relevant results to the searchers. Understanding this process will help you make your website the best it can be. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of that video and raise your queries in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good day.